Forward emergency braking, FEB with pedestrian detection system, can assist the driver when there is a risk of a forward collision with the vehicle ahead in the traveling lane or with a pedestrian. The FEB with pedestrian detection system uses a radar sensor located on the front of the vehicle to measure the distance to the vehicle ahead in the same lane and operates at speeds above approximately 3 miles per hour. The pedestrian detection system uses a camera installed behind the windshield to help detect pedestrians. If a risk of a forward collision with a vehicle is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by a flashing indicator along with an audible alert. If a risk of a forward collision with a pedestrian is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by a flashing indicator along with an audible alert. If the driver does not take action, the forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection system issues the second visual and audible warnings and also applies partial braking. If the risk of a collision becomes imminent, the system applies harder braking automatically. Depending upon the circumstances of the situation, the system may not eliminate the possibility of a collision, but may reduce the severity of a collision. Perform the following steps to turn the system on or off. Press the menu button on the control panel. Touch Driver Assistance on the lower touchscreen display. Touch Emergency Assist, then Forward Emergency Braking to toggle the system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.